Hello, good morning everybody. So there is a new project or the work which you need to do, and on this basis we'll be judging you for the subject enrichment. This is a type of activity which you will be doing, and class 7 for this you need to prepare a small scrapbook, and you will be submitting it to the teachers whenever we'll ask you for this, right? So for the starting of the scrapbook, you will start with the page and you will give the heading as acknowledgement. Now what do you include in acknowledgement? You need to thank everyone who has helped you in making this project. For example, your principal, your teachers, your parents, and also from where you have grabbed the information, like for the books or the web and etc., right? On the second coming page you will be giving the introduction, right? And this introduction will include just 5 to 6 lines. You will be describing that what you have to do in this project, and basically what you have to do in this project, the project is culinary art. The culinary art means the work which you do in the kitchen, the art which is used by your parents or used by your mothers basically while preparing the food. But in this project you will include the kharif crops, the rabi crops, and the zaid crops, right? These crops, you will give the classification of these crops. With them you will give the introduction about the 5 spices which are present in your kitchen, and you will give their importance which they give you while making the food. Like in the food, the importance which is given by those spices, you'll have to write them. And with each and every coming page in the video, I'll show you that how you have to make the project. So here you will be giving the introduction. Around 5 to 6 lines are needed, which you will be giving in the introduction. Then this will be the introduction page, like the page where you will have to write the name of your project. See, this is the introduction, this is the guidance which is given by me to you. You do not have to include these, you just have to include the headings like introduction, acknowledgement. Here you have, this is your art integrated project, and this is culinary art. Here this is the flow chart of the crops, that is the cropping seasons of the India, in which you have kharif crops, rabi crops, and zaid crops. You have to give the examples of each division, and in next coming pages you will be explaining them in the tabular form each. If you need a tabular form, you can do that, and if you want to explain it the way in a paragraph or in the points, you can do it that way, right? And you need to stick the photographs of any 3 to 4 types of each crop after explanation of the type. So you will stick the photographs of any 3 crops which is easily found and which is easily available for you, so that you can take the printout of the photographs and you can just stick it on the pages. Now how will you do it? On this page, here you start your project. On this page you will be sticking a physical map of India, so that you can explain that this is your country, and in this country there are 3 types of cropping seasons. You will be moving for the kharif crops. You will be giving the heading kharif crops. You can make your project as interesting as much as you can by giving it colors, by giving it art, whatever you can do. This is just the basic which you have to prepare. So in the explanation you will be giving the introduction, the examples of the kharif crops, the seasons in which in India, in which season they are sown and they are cut, and basically in which main states, if there are given any main states. So you will be just giving the information about these 4 points in this page. And on this coming page, the second page, you will stick any 3 photographs, 1, 2, 3, with the names, and they will be kharif crops, right? Same we will be doing for the rabi crops. You will be explaining the rabi crops and you will be sticking the photographs. Then you will be doing this zaid crops. You will do the same thing which you have done for the kharif and rabi, and you will be sticking the photographs here. Next is the main important thing which you have to do, the taste makers of our meals. In this you will be including the definition of the spices. You will pick any 5 spices from the kitchen and write about them and their uses or importance in food. Do pack these 5 spices in the small packet and stick them with the description. on the page where you will be making your spices, this the first spice यहाँ पर आप explain करेंगे on this page. So you will be sticking the small packet over here of any of the one spice, and then you will be giving the explanation. Like for the example, there are so many things which are included in the spices which is easily available, like cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, bay leaves, cardamom, nutmeg, anise, saffron. There are so many dry things which are available in your kitchen. You can find them in the kitchen very easily with the help of your mother or your parents, and you can do the work. While writing for the spices, you will be writing their name, their importance in the food. You will be giving the sample over here, and then you will write any 3 other benefits or any other 3 or any other point showing the historical importance if they have, or historical event if that is associated with your spice, right? And then you will be doing the same thing for the next 4 spices, like 1 spice, 2nd spice, 3rd spice, and the 4th spice, right? And on the last page of the scrapbook, you will be describing your thank you page. That will be your thank you page. You can decorate this page as the way you want to. You can write the submitted to your teachers, and this will include this has been project has been made by you and the class, and that is it that you have to do for the project. Now you can either take different pages and stick them together with a beautiful cover and the ending page. Just do that in the manner you really want to make your scrapbook, right?